Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. We're here with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Lynn of Boulder. We have been with the insurance company for almost 10 years. We thought it was a good and fair company and trustworthy until something happened to our house, and it is the only time we need the insurance company. Of course, right? And that is the only reason that we bought the insurance for, right? You buy insurance so when you need it, they'll actually kick in and help you with whatever insurance coverage you purchased. There was a hailstorm coming to our area and damaged our roof along with all of our neighbors. We called the third-party inspectors and had them check our house. They ran a report and stated there was major damage and the roof needed to be replaced. We called the insurance company and the agent, and we sent the reports to them. We are back and forth with the insurance company and the agent so many times. They do not receive the report, even though we sent so many emails with so many attachments, then received but needed more pictures, right? So this is what we call the rabbit hole. Once they start asking for one thing, then they start asking for something else, and more things and more things and more things and more things, right? And then, are they ever going to investigate the loss? Are they going to do a complete and thorough investigation, which is usually their duty within the policy? And are they doing it in a reasonable amount of time? That's the next question, right? So maybe they are going to do a complete and thorough investigation, and 3 months from now, that doesn't seem very reasonable if you had a loss and now you have a hole in your roof, which is making it worse, and you try to mitigate the damage, but you can't really mitigate it fully until you fully replace the roof. So are you supposed to replace the roof and take away your evidence to show to the insurance company? How does this work, right? So there's things that govern the insurance companies and how they have to be fair and reasonable, right? And then also act with good faith and fair dealings with the insured, the policyholder, meaning they have to treat you like they want to be treated, basically, right? Be fair with you. And so if you're not being treated fairly, if you're not getting the amount that you need for your claim to fully and fairly, legitimately repair or replace the damage, you need to contact us today. BellatorClaims.com. That's what we're here to do. We're here to help you as the insured, the policyholder, make sure you are as good or better than before the loss based on the insurance policy that you have. So contact us today, BellatorClaims.com.